Plant FAQs. Aglaonema Etta Rose. Aglaonema Etta Rose, your guide to this easy care beauty. Hi, Ferbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Aglaonema Etta Rose, a stunning houseplant that's as easy on the eyes as it is to care for. This guide will answer all your burning questions about the Etta Rose, from its unique appearance to its care requirements. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a complete beginner, this little gem is sure to become a favorite. See more 26 species in genus Aglaonema at monsteraholic.com. What is the Aglaonema Etta Rose? The Aglaonema Etta Rose, also known as the Chinese evergreen, is a member of the Araceae family. It boasts beautiful variegated foliage with a captivating combination of colors. Imagine white leaves speckled generously with a light, rosy pink, all edged in a vibrant green. The Etta Rose truly lives up to its name, bringing a touch of romantic elegance to any space. How does the Etta Rose differ from other Aglaonema varieties? There are over 100 varieties of Aglaonema, each with its own unique charm. Here's a quick comparison of the Etta Rose to some popular cousins. Aglaonema Sparkling Sarah. This variety features stunning light pink stems and patterns, making it a vibrant choice. Aglaonema Wishes. Known for its hot pink patterning on the leaves, the Wishes offers a bolder look. Aglaonema Silver Bay. This classic type has silvery green leaves with darker green markings, providing a more subdued elegance. The Etta Rose stands out with its soft, rosy pink speckled throughout the white leaves. It offers a delicate and romantic feel compared to the bolder pink hues or silver tones of other varieties. How do I care for my Aglaonema Etta Rose? The beauty of the Etta Rose lies in its ease of care. Here's what you need to know to keep your plant thriving. Light. The Etta Rose is a champion in adaptability. It thrives in bright indirect light, but can tolerate low light conditions as well. Avoid harsh direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water your Etta Rose when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch. Overwatering is a common mistake, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically designed for indoor plants. This ensures proper aeration and prevents root rot. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring, and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer applied monthly can give your Etta Rose a boost. Opt for a diluted solution to avoid fertilizer burn. Temperature and humidity. The Etta Rose prefers warm temperatures between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Average room humidity is sufficient, but if your environment is particularly dry, consider using a pebble tray to increase humidity around the plant. Is the Aglaonema Etta Rose toxic? Unfortunately, the Etta Rose, like many Aglaonema varieties, is mildly toxic. The plant contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation in the mouth, throat, and stomach if ingested. Keep your Etta Rose out of reach of children and pets. If you suspect ingestion, contact your doctor or veterinarian immediately. Where can I buy an Aglaonema Etta Rose? The Etta Rose is gaining popularity, so finding one shouldn't be too difficult. Here are some places to check. Local nurseries and garden centers. Online plant retailers. Big box stores with garden departments. Look for a healthy plant with vibrant foliage and no signs of pests or diseases. Final thoughts on the Aglaonema Etta Rose. The Aglaonema Etta Rose is a beautiful and easy-to-care-for houseplant. Its stunning variegated foliage adds a touch of elegance to any space, and its adaptability to different light conditions makes it perfect for beginners. With a little TLC, your Etta Rose will thrive for years to come, bringing a pop of color and life to your home. So what are you waiting for? Add this charming gem to your plant collection and enjoy its beauty.